Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, your go-to spot for QuickBooks tips and tutorials. If you've ever made a mistake entering a transaction in QuickBooks Online and thought, how do I delete this without messing up everything? This video is for you. Today, I'm walking you through a step-by-step guide on how to delete transactions in QuickBooks Online. Updated, it's quick, simple, and I'll make sure you know exactly what to do and what not to do before hitting delete. So let's jump right in. First things first, sign into your QuickBooks Online account. You can do this from your desktop browser or the QuickBooks mobile app. Just head to quickbooks.intuit.com and log in using your username and password. Once you're in, you'll see your familiar dashboard with all your company data. Now, on the left-hand side menu, click on Sales. This tab is where QuickBooks stores all your customer-related transactions, invoices, payment, receipts, and more. If you accidentally entered a wrong invoice or duplicated a sale, this is exactly where you'll find it. Next, click on Invoices under the Sales tab. Here, you'll see a complete list of all your customer invoices. Find the specific transaction you want to delete. Maybe it's an incorrect invoice or a test entry. On the right side of that line, click the drop-down arrow or More Options icon. Now, from the drop-down, choose More Actions, then click Delete. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm this action, and here's an important note. Once you delete a transaction, it's gone for good. There's no undo button, so double-check that you're deleting the right entry before confirming. Once confirmed, QuickBooks removes that transaction instantly, and your books update automatically. Simple as that. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a transaction in QuickBooks Online. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future QuickBooks tips and tutorials. Got questions or want me to cover another QuickBooks feature? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.